Welcome to this algebra lesson on the subtraction property of equality. Today, we are going to learn how to solve simple equations by isolating variables. This is a fundamental skill that you will use throughout your math journey. Before we start solving, let's understand what an equation actually is. Imagine a balance scale. The equal sign in the middle tells us that everything on the left side has the exact same value as everything on the right side. If the scale is balanced, the equation is true. In algebra, we often talk about inverse operations. Think of these as opposites. The inverse of addition is subtraction. They undo each other. If you have a positive number and you want to get to 0, you subtract that same number. We will use this concept to solve our equations. Here is the formal rule for the subtraction property of equality. It states that if you subtract the same number from both sides of an equation, the two sides remain equal. Mathematically, if A equals B, then a minus C is equal to B minus C. The key is doing it to both sides. Let's look at this visually. Here we have a scale representing x plus 3 equals 7. On the left, we have an unknown box x and 3 blocks. On the right, we have 7 blocks. To find out what x weighs, we need to remove the 3 blocks from the left. But to keep the scale balanced, we must also remove 3 blocks from the right. Let's try a problem with numbers. We have the equation x plus 4 equals 10. Our goal is to isolate x, which means getting x all by itself on one side of the equal sign. We see that 4 is being added to x, so we need to get rid of that 4. To get rid of the plus 4, we use our subtraction property. We subtract 4 from the left side. But remember the rule, whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other. So, we also subtract 4 from the right side. This keeps everything fair and balanced. After subtracting, the plus 4 and minus 4 on the left become 0, leaving just x. On the right side, 10 minus 4 equals 6. So, our solution is x equals 6. We can check this by putting 6 back into the original equation. 6 plus 4 does indeed equal 10. Let's look at another example with the variable y. Here we have y plus 15 equals 30. We want to isolate y since 15 is added to y. We subtract 15 from the left side and 15 from the right side. 30 minus 15 is 15. So, y equals 15. A very common mistake beginners make is subtracting from only one side. Look at the example on the left. If you only subtract 5 from the left side, the equation becomes unbalanced, and your answer will be wrong. Always remember to perform the operation on both sides of the equal sign. To wrap up, here are the 3 steps to success. First, identify what number is being added to your variable. Second, subtract that exact same number from both sides of the equation. And third, always check your answer to make sure it makes the original equation true. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.